Hello viewers, this is Muhammad Atif. In this lecture, we will continue to discuss the process costing basics, but will particularly discuss how to calculate the value of closing work in process when there is opening as well as closing work in process inventory is given. This is a syllabus content of F2 ACCA and CMA CAF 8 of ICAP. When beginning and ending work in progress of uncompleted units is given, there are two methods of costing: weightage average method and FIFO method. In weightage average method, cost per unit can be calculated by dividing total cost incurred by equivalent unit. But the total cost incurred means current period cost plus cost incurred on opening work in process inventory in the previous period. Statement of equivalent unit can be calculated simply: units of output multiplied by 100% plus closing work in progress into their stage of completion. For example, a company operates a process costing system using the weightage average method of valuation. The following data relates to last month. Opening work in progress units are 3000. These are 100% completed for material at a cost of 12600. 30% completed for conversion cost at a cost of $970. Closing work in progress, there are 2000 units, 100% complete with respect to material and 60% completed with respect to conversion cost. Input for the period: material 7000 unit at a cost of $28,000. Conversion cost for the period were $17,430. Required: what is the cost per equivalent unit for materials and conversion cost, and also what was the total value of units completed last month. Here first we have to calculate the number of units completed and transferred. This can be calculated as unit in opening work in progress plus units input during the period minus units in closing work in progress. So 3000 units in opening work in progress plus 7000 units input during the period minus 2000 units in closing work in progress gives you the quantity of units completed and transferred to the next department, 8000. For calculating statement of equivalent unit, 8000 units which have been completed will recorded 100% with respect to material as well as with respect to conversion cost. But units which are still in process would be recorded according to their stage of completion. With respect to material, these 2000 units are 100% completed. So these are recorded as 2000 in the statement of equivalent unit of material. So materials equivalent unit would be 8000 plus 2000, 10,000 units. But these 2000 units are 60% completed with respect to conversion cost. So 2000 multiplied by 60%, their equivalent unit in closing stock inventory would be 1200. 8000 unit transferred plus 1200 units still in process, the total equivalent unit for conversion cost would be 9200 units. Now we have to calculate the cost per equivalent unit. For calculating cost per unit, we would have to divide the total cost incurred divided by equivalent unit. Here total cost can be computed by adding value of opening work in progress plus value of material input. Here value of material in opening work in progress is $12,600 while value of material in input is $28,000. To sum up them, you will get the total cost incurred 28,000 plus 12,600, it gives you 40,600 of total cost. Now this total cost would be divided by the total equivalent unit of material, $40,600 divided by 10,000 equivalent unit, and you will get the cost per unit of material as $4.06 per unit. Now same procedure would be adopted for calculating the cost per unit of conversion cost. Value of opening work in process and conversion cost is $970, while value of input in conversion cost is $17,430. To sum up then, we will get 18,400 of total cost. This total cost would be divided by the conversion cost equivalent units of 9200 and you will get the cost per equivalent unit as $2. To calculate the value of unit completed, 8000 units which have been transferred will be multiplied by the total unit cost. Unit cost of material plus unit cost of conversion. 4.06 plus 2 gives you 6.06 of total unit cost. Multiply by 8,000 of unit transferred. You will get the value of units completed as $48,480. For calculating closing work in progress, still in process unit multiply by the stage of completion multiply by their unit cost. So with respect to material, the still in process units are 2000, their stage of completion is 100%, and their unit cost is 4.06. And with respect to conversion cost, still in process units are also 2000, but their stage of completion is 60% and unit cost is 2. To sum up the value, we will get the closing work in progress as $10,520. Now it is about FIFO valuation method. FIFO method means first in, first out. Assumes that we complete the opening work in progress prior to starting on any new production. With FIFO, it is assumed that the opening work in process units are completed first. This means that the process cost in the period must be allocated between opening work in process units started and completed in the period, means fully work units, and closing work in process units. This also means that if opening work in process units are 75% complete with respect to material and 40% complete with respect to labor, only 25% more work will be needed to be carried out with respect to material and 60% with respect to labor. For calculating statement of equivalent unit, first of all, opening work in progress units are multiplied by the percentage left to complete in this period, plus goods started and finished in period, multiplied by 100%. This will give you equivalent unit completed in period. Then adding the closing work in progress with their respective percentage stage, you will get the total equivalent units. Remember, only the current period cost should be included when calculating the cost per equivalent unit. Cost per equivalent unit can be calculated by cost of current period divided by total equivalent units. How to calculate the goods started and finished in the period? It is quite simple. Unit transfer to next department minus opening work in progress units. For example, a company operates a process costing system using the first in, first out method of valuation. No losses occur in the process. The following data relates to the last month. Opening work in progress, 100 units, 60% completed and their value $680. Completed during the month, 900 unit, and closing work in process unit 150, degree of completion 48%. Costs incurred in the period were $10,944. Requirement: what was the value of closing work in progress and what was the total value of units completed last month? To calculate the statement of equivalent unit, first we have to recognize how much percentage of work would be done in the current period. If the opening work in process units are already 60% completed, then 40% remaining work would be done in this period. So 100 units would be multiplied by their required percentage to complete as 40%, and it will give you the equivalent units of 40. To calculate the units started and finished, we have to subtract the opening work in process unit from the units completed. 900 units have been completed while opening work in process units are 100. So 900 minus 100 gives you units started and finished as 800 units. These are 100% completed, so included in the equivalent unit as 800. While the closing work in process units are 150 and these are 48% completed, so in the equivalent unit their value would be 72 units. After that, to sum up all the opening work in progress, started and finished units and closing work in progress unit, the total equivalent unit would be 912. Remember, in FIFO method, only the current period cost would be considered for calculating cost per equivalent unit. So the current period cost of 10,944 would be divided by the 912 of equivalent unit, and you will get the cost per equivalent unit as $12 per unit. In case of closing work in progress valuation, The still in process units are multiplied by their stage of completion and their unit cost. So 150 unit multiplied by 48% will give you the equivalent unit of 72, and these would be multiplied by $12 per unit of unit cost, and the closing work in progress valuation would be $864. To calculate the unit completed value, first we have to calculate the goods started and finished value. There are 800 units which have been started in the current period and finished in the current period. So these 800 units would be valued at $12 per unit, and the total value would be $9,600 for goods started and finished. In case of opening work in process completed, these 100 units have been 40% completed in this particular period, so their equivalent unit would be 40, and these 40 units would be multiplied by the current period's cost per equivalent unit, $12, and you will get the value of $480. While on cost incurred on these units in the previous period is $680. To sum up all these values, 9600 plus 480 plus 680, you will get the total value of goods completed as 10,760. So this is about how to value the closing work in progress and unit transferred and completed in the weightage average method as well as in FIFO method. Do give your feedback and subscribe the channel. Thank you.